Hello everyone, I'm Alexandra Stevenson and I am here to walk you through my app Balance. Balance is a health and wellness tracking app. It was created to help people that are trying to work on more realistic goals for them personally, for their mental and physical health. And it uses a weekly tracker to create long-lasting habits. So we'll go ahead and get started. As you can see, you can create an account and you can also sign in if you are already an existing user. Create account is pretty basic: name, email, password. You can also create or sign in with Google, Facebook, and Apple. So we'll go ahead and create here. Once we do that, you can go through the screens that just give you some basic information on what you'll find in the app. You can also skip that up here. So tracking, staying motivated with friends, and the purpose of the app is to balance your mind and body health. So we go through those and we make it to our home screen. So as you can see here, we have your weekly progress. We've got cards for each of the categories: your exercise, meditate, and cook as well. So you can change the amount of each that you want to do per week up here in your settings. And then we have challenges, our achievements, as well as our categories at the navigation bar. So we'll go up here to our settings at the profile picture. You've got a couple of options here. We're going to start with our tracker settings for those weekly trackers on the home screen. You can change the amount that you want to do for each one. You can leave them blank if you don't want to do that week. And then on top of that, once you've completed a couple of weeks, it is really nice to also be able to see your insights over time. So maybe you had an off week. I do think it's beneficial to be able to look back at the overall big picture, and that's what creates those bigger habits. So seeing that overall, how you're doing, and being able to see what you've completed throughout the year. So it's pretty motivating to be able to go through that. So in here, you've also got your basic reminders and friends. So for the challenges, you'll find friends here in the account. You can send challenges to friends. You can find them in various ways. So to send a challenge to a friend, you'd click on one of these send buttons. The challenges will pop up. You can choose which one you'd like and go ahead and send that to him, and it'll get a pop up for that that it's been sent. So from there, we can go back to our home screen here, and under challenges, once you already have some in progress, this is where you'll find them. If you've completed one of these yoga sessions, you can go ahead and click on that. You'll see what you have already completed, how many days are left, and you can go ahead and complete your final one there. And we do have pop-ups that kind of keep people a little bit more motivated as well. So now we can go down to our categories. Each of the categories is going to look the same. We've got our category, and you can toggle over to favorites in each of the categories. So you can save your favorites once you've searched for a few things. You can search within your favorites. And then in each of the categories, we also have here are filters. So while you can do a keyword search, most people seem to not always know what they want to look for. So you can find different recipes looking this way, maybe beginner recipes for meditations, maybe a guided meditation that's maybe only 10 minutes. And for each of these, you'll get your search results as well as some trending options in each category. Again, in case you're not really sure what you're looking for. And then once you start completing these things, every time you complete something, you can go back to your home screen here. And these buttons up here on each of the cards, you can go ahead and click through one of those, and then you can complete. And that'll go on your weekly progress and as well as your insights. So, that is all of the basics of Balance. I hope you found some of this valuable, and I really appreciate your time for letting me walk you through the app. Thank you.